I have so much random junk lying around. That is a brand new right-hand drive 210 pre-facelift headlight. I'm waiting for the other side to show up so I can have the front of that car, well, most of that car painted and tidied up. But anyway, the point of this video, I noticed something rather interesting. This is a 210 duo valve that I saved from a scrap 210. And I noticed that while the actual electromagnets on the solenoids are smaller, the actual mounting arrangement is identical to the 124, as in these rubber buffers that go diagonally opposed. You could take it off this mount and stick it straight into a 124, and even the, well, I can't get that connector off right now, the 3-pin connector is exactly the same. So there's absolutely no concerns about plugging a 124 into one of these 210 duo valves, and the water connections are in the same place as well. The 210 version has the hoses permanently crimped on, but you can just cut those crimps and pull the hoses off, and they go diagonally down instead of straight off. I think the 210, you're supposed to disconnect it with this clip, and that like manifold is part of the hose permanently. But anyway, you can reuse that on the 124 hoses. Let's just measure the current consumed and see if it is a direct swap. So when testing these, remember it's a common positive in the center and it's the negative side that is switched to operate either side solenoid. And when this is connected, you'll have to take my word for it, but I can see 900 milliamps of consumption on that side and just under 900 on that side. And this is the 124 version solenoid. So let's go ahead and test the 210 version and see if it's going to be a drop-in replacement. So same arrangement again, common positive in the center, testing the rear in this image solenoid. I'm seeing 750 milliamps of consumption, and the front one in this image, 750 or 760 milliamps. So yes, I would say that it is a drop-in replacement, and the greater efficiency of these coils will hopefully mean those Tempmatic control panels might actually live a bit longer, and hopefully these solenoids don't burn out as fast. But yeah, 210s, dime a dozen. These valves are all going to the crusher, so I would advise saving some of them to put to good use in 124s. If you have tried this out, by all means comment and let me know what your experience is, but I suspect it will work perfectly. Let me know in the comments below.